Hi everyone, this is Amrith Maldonado from the Gem and Panther channel. Today I'm going to be talking about chatbots, specifically integrating a chatbot with a Panther or Gem web application. So what's a chatbot? A chatbot is short for chat robot. And chatbots essentially simulate conversations with humans using instant messaging. In fact, it uses instant messaging to artificially replicate the patterns of human interactions. You and I use chatbots all the time when we engage with Alexa and Siri. Next, I'm going to show you how we've implemented a chatbot within our Panther web application. Now, this is Spider, which is a public website that allows our Panther or Gem customers to log help desk cases. The URL is profapps.prolifics.com. What we've done here is we have added a submenu called Chat with PVA up on the nav bar. PVA stands for Panther Virtual Assistant. So if you're looking to chat with us, of course you'll be chatting with a robot. But if you're looking to ask us generic questions, ask us for a license file, cost of a product, how to integrate new technology with Panther, feel free to use this chatbot. Let's chat with PVA. We click on the menu item. Another instance of the browser opens up with our Panther Virtual Assistant icon and a series of questions. It says, hi, how are you doing? The popular searches are, what is Panther? How to receive a temporary or permanent license file? What database drivers does Panther support? And so on. So I'm going to go ahead and pick one of the questions that I'm interested in, like how to obtain a temp license, question mark. Press the send button. Thinking about it, and it says please visit our Panther homepage for more information. So let me click on the Panther homepage. There we go. I'm right here, and it says free trials, get licensed. So this pretty much answers my question. Going back to my Spider page, and let me bring up my PVA assistant. There we go. I'm back here. What if I ask them a question? How does Docker work with Panther? Click send. Waiting. There we go. It says, please visit our GitHub repo for Docker. So it does give you some information. You can click on links, follow the commands, and so on. What if I ask my chatbot a question that he or she may not know, like how do you make a jam sandwich? All right. Click send. I didn't get that. Can you please send us an email? So your chatbot is as smart as how you've trained them to be. The more questions you ask your chatbot, the more you use it, the smarter the chatbot becomes. This is actually a Panther screen right here. It's a Panther screen running on node.js. And what has happened in the backend is we have fed our chatbot with a slew of different questions and some predefined answers. And some of the responses that you get from your chatbot are intelligently matched and responded back to you. Like I said, the more you use a chatbot, the smarter the chatbot becomes. Well, if you need any help setting up your own chatbot, having it work with a Panther web application, or even just going deeper into the backend technology with this demo, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching our video. If you like the video, please press the like button. If you're viewing our content for the first time, please press the subscribe button. If you have any queries, either post them in the comment section or email us at support@prolifics.com.